corner. Okay, so now let me see, everything is working. Okay, so let's start the other things. Can I see one more time, because I don't want to go back there and make changes. Okay, so I'm just scrolling to see if there are any changes I can do. Yeah, I can increase the size of this paragraph. This is too small, right? Which para? This id head para, heading para. Okay, I'll find it here. Heading para. You can also search it from here. Okay, I'm just now and adding font size to be 1.3 rem. Oh god, please work, make it work. Okay, so this is good, but what about this? Okay, oh, so yeah, you can see the benefit here. I think you can see it. Okay, let I have just made a class for same class for both these paragraphs. Okay, so what it has done, I only changed one class the css, and it has also changed my second class css. So this is the benefit of classes. That's why I was talking to you about classes, to use classes. Okay, uh, okay, this is fine. uh, what then? Let me see. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Now make other things. Now we have to make forms. Sorry, farm. What is farms? Forms. Okay, let me close it. So for that form, if you can see, they have labeled their name upper side. Okay, it means I have to make the width of this input 100%. But wait, if I make this width 100%, then this should have then it should have uh, taken the whole space of that container. So it means they have the person which made this website have made its width small. Okay, so we will change this. We will change the width of this container and add the full background to that container. Okay, so in a rough idea, I can say that we have to make two divisions. How? I'll tell you. Firstly, I will close it. Now we do not have any work in there right now. Okay, this we will work on here also. So after that, I have to make a div with class. What will be the class? Mail us section. Okay, mail us section. Here I will put an h1, which will be center, which will be a color red.